So I'm starting this vlog off quite late. I slept in and yeah, so now I'm about to clean up. I'm about to go clean my car out and that's it. That's it. Today, get up girl, do you some cleaning, get some stuff done, okay? For the weekend before the holiday, because tomorrow is the holiday. Anyway, yeah, let me get to cleaning. I'm doing laundry right now. This is what we look like. It's not really too bad, but it's bad. Okay. Let's see. We'll get it together. We about to get it together. Okay, this is as far as I got. Looks way better. It's clean. Yeah, I can take the kiddos to school in a clean car. Okay, car's clean. Tires are filled up. I need to go get an oil change. When? Oh, I don't get one until September, so that's cool. Everything cool. It's clean enough to drop them off at school and get things done. I don't like having a junky car at all, but definitely not starting the school week because sometimes when they're jumping in and out of the car, things fall out. That is so embarrassing. Ew. No, it's disgusting. And sometimes their friends need rides and, you know, I don't want anybody getting in my car and it smells like anything or it looks a mess. So I have to keep my car on point. And honestly, every week I have to start cleaning my car out because for some reason, my kids just, I guess at this point they know I'm gonna clean it up. So they just don't care. I hope you guys had a amazing, wonderful, productive day. I hope that you got up, got out, and did something, whatever that may be. I hope you got a little vitamin D today. And I hope you also enjoyed this little mini vlog. Hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to do something. I just wanted to clean some things and get my laundry done before the holiday. It wasn't too much to clean. That's why I ended up cleaning my car because honestly, that needed the most cleaning. So got that done. I feel good about that. I feel very productive. Here, I am pouring bleach in the little drain, and of course inside of the washer, because there's a little mildewy smell. And if you guys ever experience that, like that little mildewy smell that doesn't seem to go away, pour bleach down the laundry, the drain, and then inside of the washer as well. It'll take the smell right out. Nobody asks, but if you are experiencing that, that'll help. I'm ending the vlog here. Bye.